Okay, my friend, welcome back to my new video. How to make free PayPal cash daily using a free method. Everyone can use it. With this video, guys, I will show you one of my big secrets. How I make free cash daily to my PayPal account. This method is for newbies, so everyone can use it, and everyone can earn from this method for free daily. All you have to do is copy my method step by step and start earning free cash daily, okay? Even today. Before I will show you the step by step, I will show you my proof from this method. So you can see here over $5,800 on 21 days. Okay, only 21 days, and I already earn from this method over $5,800. Okay, so how this method work? I will show you exactly step by step so you can use it for free. Okay, step number one, all you have to do is sign up to Warrior Plus. It's free. You can sign up for free, or you can use Pays Pre. Let's go to Pays Pre. Okay, so for this method, you can use Warrior Plus or Pays Pre. Okay, when you have a account on Warrior Plus or Pays Pre, you have to get your affiliate link. So let's go. You can go here on Marketplace on Pays Pre. And get your affiliate link. You can see here, create link. Okay, every product, create link. So all you have to do is click and put your username here and submit. Then you will get your affiliate link. This is on Pays Pre. I will show you on my Warrior Plus. You can see unlimited sales. Okay, you can see unlimited commission, and I will show you exactly how I am getting the traffic. Okay, unlimited commission. Let's go here. Sorry, first I want to show you how many sales I make with Warrior Plus. So you can see here 400 sales. Okay, this is for affiliate. Okay, you can be a vendor and add your product, and you can join as an affiliate. Sorry, and you can choose product and sell it. Okay, you can see 400 sales and almost $3,000 from Warrior Plus. Okay, if you want to choose your product from Warrior Plus, you can go here, get links, and you can see here get link, okay, the green button. You can see I make here some cells, and here and here, and more cells. Okay, so all you have to do is get link like this. You will get this page, and this is the affiliate link. So all you have to do is take the link and promote it. Okay, so remember, you can use Warrior Plus, and you can use Pays Free to make free cash to your PayPal account daily. Okay, so how this work? I want to show you one example so you can use right now to earn some cash every single day. Okay, so for example, I will show you how this works. So I will click here, create link, and click here. This is my link, copy and close. Okay, so now I will show you how to get traffic and how to make a commission daily using this very target traffic. This traffic is a solo ad traffic. So this traffic is very good traffic, and you can use it to promote anything. Okay, you can promote anything. So I will show you how you can do this. Okay, so first go to Google and type safe traffic rotator. You will get this page. But with this method we will use, you have to go to the end of this page, and you will see here in the right a banner. Okay, advertise to the masses, send email to more than 70 millions. So let's visit, and we will get this page. Okay, so you can see here, welcome to Blast for traffic, email 70 millions targeted. Okay, that's over 2 millions daily. You can see here, do you have a product to or services to sell? This is a very fantastic, very good service, and you can use it to promote anything, and you will get traffic, very target traffic, so you can use this service every day. Okay, so here you can see login. You have to make your account first. Okay, you can go here and make your account. While you have your account, you can see here login. So let's go to login. And then you will get this page. Okay, you can see here bulk mailer login. Okay, so let's click it. Okay, very nice. Now you have here bulk mailer. Okay, let's visit, and you will get this page. Very nice. Now, do you remember we have our link? Let's put here. and type any subject, but you need something very convert. Okay, so for this example, let's type something like, do you need more cash? Check this. Okay, something like this, and some text. You have to put some text here. Okay, this is for example. Okay, you have to put if you want more text, and if you have more convert title from this title, so you can type anything you want. Okay, remember you have to put something very convert here, so people will visitor will click the link and visit your page. Okay, you can see, you can type here 300 or 400 word keyword, and very important to choose relevant categories here. Okay, you can choose up to 5 categories. So let's check 5 categories: business, internet marketing, finance and investing. Let's see. Okay, we can check this. And we need more one. Okay, let's click shopping and gift. Okay, you can save your email if you then you can send your email one more time. Tomorrow you can send one email per day. Okay, this is very important. You can send one email per day. When you have your everything is ready, then you can send. You can click here, send. Your message was a successful sent to our entire worldwide database and partner database. Okay, our email is already sent to the list for this website. Now I want to show you how you can get more traffic from this website. You can use media buy banner. Okay, you can click here banner and click add a new campaign. Choose here a banner, or you can choose text ad. Okay, so I will choose banner and click next. Okay, campaign name, banner link. You can see banner link, size. Always choose this size. This is the best size. And your link. Okay, your link. Put here your link and credit. Right now I have over 1,040 100,000 144,000, sorry, and I can use it all of them, but I can use 100 or 200 or 1000. Okay, it's your choice. And then click next. Of course, you can make more, add your link here. If you want, you can add your link here in the left. So all you have to do is add your link and add a new campaign. And you have to choose here text add, and you get the point. Campaign name, your text, more text, and more text, and your URL. Okay. Credit, choose credit. You can put any number you want. It's your choice. Okay. It's your choice, and click next. Okay. Now remember, when you when you go to send your email, you have to choose very convert title and a good text, so people will click your link and visit your link, your product, and purchase your product. So be sure your subject, your link is very convert, and you have to send this email every day, okay, or every 2 days. It's your choice, okay, but very important to send your email every single day and get free traffic every single day to your link. Of course, you can change your link, you can change your text, your title every single day. Of course, it's your choice. Okay, I hope you like this video. If you like it, please subscribe to my channel for more videos. If you have any question, please type your comment below this video. Thank you again, and have a good day. Thank you very much.